Hey everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you how you can easily create a Gmail account without using your mobile number or providing any recovery email address. So in order to begin, I'll open the Google application, and now once you're in here, what you'll have to do is click on your profile icon at the top right corner. Now open this arrow, click on this arrow so that all your accounts are visible. Once that's done, you can click on add another account option, and now you have to click on Google. Once that's done, you can click on create account, and now you can select any option according to your purposes for the account. I'll select for myself, and then it's asking for my first name, so I will add my first name, and then I will choose some random numbers, and then select the gender as male, and then click next. Now it's giving me some Gmail addresses. So if you want, you can select these Gmail address, or you can create a new address and type in whatever email address you want, maybe Thanku. And then you can click on next. Once that's done, it will ask for you to add a password. So I will type in a password real quick. Now it's asking me to add a phone number. So you can easily click on skip option, and now you can click on next. And now you have to agree to the privacy terms and conditions. As you can see, I have to click on I agree. Now as you can see, the Gmail account is being created. Now let's just wait for some seconds. Okay, now the Gmail address is created. Now if I go back, and I'm going to show you in my Gmail account if that account is there. So I click on my profile icon, and now you can see that the Gmail address has successfully been created and added to my Google phone. So I will open that Gmail account, and as you can see, the Gmail account is successfully created and it's now perfectly working. So that's it for today's video. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.